We have a company that's producing a toy in either small or large size, and it only comes in two colors, red or green. If for each size, that's small and large, there are equal numbers of red and green. So red and green for each size. So let's say you have X of the small red, you would have X of the small green. And let's say you have Y of the large red, you would have Y of the large green. So your total number small is X plus X is 2X, and large is Y plus Y is 2Y. And then your total red would be X plus Y, total green would be X plus Y, and your total is 2X plus 2Y. Now this is called a contingency table, and the reason I'm working it this way is because I've got two different things going on. I got small, I got large, I got some of those are red and some of them are green. So this is an easy way to work a problem. You just need to get used to a contingency table. Now we're trying to find what fraction of the total number of green toys is large. Total number of green is this X plus Y here. Total green is X plus Y. And we're trying to figure out what fraction of the total number of green toys is large. And how many large green toys do I have? I've got Y of them. So that's what I'm trying to find is Y over X plus Y. So let's look at clue 1. Clue 1 says, in the production lot, 400 of the small toys are green. Small green is this right here. Small green that just tells me that X equals 400. But I'm trying to find Y over X plus Y. I don't know anything at all about Y. All right, so clue 1 doesn't work by itself. Forget clue 1, concentrate on clue 2. In the production lot, 2/3 of the toys produced are small. 2/3 are small of the toys. Well, total toys is 2X plus 2Y right here. And we see small toys. Well, total number of small is 2X. So that would give me my percent of small toys, small over total. And they tell me that's 2/3. So let's cross multiply and let's solve this for something. So that's going to give you 6X equals 2 times 2X plus 2Y. That's 6X equal 4X, 4X plus 4Y. And subtract 4X from both sides, you get 2X equals 4Y. Divide everything by 2, divide both sides by 2, X equal 2Y. And I'm trying to find Y over X plus Y. And if I let X equal 2Y, that gives me Y over X is 2Y plus Y. That gives me Y over 3Y, which is 1/3. Clue 2 works. Your answer is B.